In this video, I'll show you how to create an approval process in Teamwork.com, a powerful project management tool that helps streamline your workflows. Whether you're managing projects alone or leading a team, Teamwork's approval process feature is an essential tool for maintaining clarity and efficiency. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up this process and keep your projects moving forward without missing a beat. Before we dive in, don't forget, you can start using Teamwork for free right now. Click the first link below for an exclusive bonus offer that includes a free trial with extra features you won't get anywhere else. Now, let's jump straight into it. First, open your Teamwork account or sign up if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll want to go to the project where you want to set up the approval process. It's pretty simple. Start by creating or selecting a task that will need approval. You can use this for everything from content reviews to finalizing deliverables. Next, you'll find the Approvals section within the task view. Here you can add a custom approval workflow. You can either select a person from your team to approve the task or invite external stakeholders for their approval. This is great if you need to collaborate with clients or upper management. One of the key features of Teamwork's approval process is the ability to set multiple approval steps. This means you can set up stages where different team members or clients approve specific aspects of the project. Whether it's a draft approval, feedback stage, or final sign-off, you can structure the process as you see fit. If you're managing a complex project, the approval process can even integrate with other task management features in Teamwork, like timelines and milestones, so you always know where things stand. You'll be able to track approvals on your project timeline, so you never miss a step and your project stays on schedule. Once you've set up the approval stages, Teamwork automatically notifies the approvers when their action is needed. Notifications are customizable, so you can make sure the right people get reminders and updates without feeling overwhelmed. Another great feature is that you can leave comments and feedback directly on the task or document that needs approval. This makes communication seamless and centralizes all the discussion in one place. No more hunting for emails or wondering who approved what. Now, if you want to make sure the approval process is even more efficient, you can automate certain tasks. For example, you can set Teamwork to automatically mark a task as approved once all approvals are received, or trigger additional actions like moving the task to the next stage or assigning a new team member. These automations save time and prevent human error. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that with Teamwork's approval process, you'll have full transparency across your team. You'll know exactly where approvals stand and who's responsible for the next step. It's the best way to keep things moving without bottlenecks, especially for larger projects. As promised, the link below offers an extended free trial, plus additional exclusive bonuses to help you get started with Teamwork.com today. Go ahead and check it out. It's free, and it's a perfect time to see how this tool can optimize your workflow. That's it. Now you know how to create an approval process in Teamwork.com. Whether you're handling a small project or working with a large team, this feature will help ensure that your projects get the attention they need at every stage. Don't forget to grab your free trial with the link below. Thanks for watching.